And you notice we have taken the line down.
Right.
They told me that,
Take
yeah.
the flag down, and we're replacing that with a flag that does not violate the U.S. flag code.
Great.
Absolutely, that is awesome. That-
Remember last time Mike and Jeff went out to the Randolph County Sheriff's Department? It was December 30th,
up?
2019.
Flag right there.
American flag?
Yeah, there's a blue line flag right
No
there.
shit.
Yep, on a pole.
What?
Yep, right in front
Do they
of
have an American flag?
Yep, there's an American flag with a North Carolina flag up to your top left. Blue line flag to you right in front of you.
Wow.
That is not, I don't like that at all.
Randolph County Sheriff's Department, January 10th, 2020.
And it's no longer here. I'm here with Line Justice and Carolina Auditor. And we're going to go in there.
There we go, guys, at the Randolph County Sheriff's Department, and the blue line flag, Jeff is telling me, is no longer flying here. Is, what about Old Glory? Is, we have, it's still up here, right?
Yep.
Is it flying?
There you go, just like that.
All right. So, so that's change number one so far at the Sheriff's Department. Let's go find out if there's anything else.
We'll have to return here just to see if they leave it there. I think it's on this side.
This one, if I remember right, is the stairs. Right. If you want to use the elevator, it's that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the elevator.
All right.
See you up there.
All right, man.
Over here, Hannah, this gentleman's fine.
Oh, hi.
You can't see where you're standing. All right, I got her.
All right. Thanks. You want to try?
Look, I'm gonna play shy.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, let's go on. I think we got to stop at Walmart.
Y'all have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Can I help you?
Yeah. Hi. I just would like to talk to, I think, Andrea or Kevin, just kind of doing some follow-up on communication about courthouse things, and then I have a records request to put into.
Yeah. Hold on just a second. I'll go find one of them, okay?
All right, cool.
Approximately 2 minutes pass.
Sir,
Yeah.
Andrea's on her way up.
Okay, cool.
Who's next? Did you have your stuff?
Is there somebody here from records I can do records requests with?
Yes, but I think she's gonna help you with that too.
Okay. All right, cool.
Another 2 minutes go by.
Hey, I'm Colonel Azelton with the sheriff.
Oh, hey.
So I'm holding my hand out and
Is it,
shaking hands.
okay, is it Andrea? Is that right?
Andrea.
All right. Cool. Oh,
Yeah.
Andrea, sorry.
Yeah. And your
Pronunciation. You can call me Mike.
Mike.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Jeff.
Jeff.
I'm a
Oh,
fist
okay.
bumper, yep.
All right. So what can I do to help? Are
Uh,
you with them? Okay. Andrea
Willie.
Azelton.
Willie.
Willie? Okay.
I'm trying to just follow up with you. Appreciate you reaching out and let me know that you guys are working on stuff. Do you know if that meeting with Vance Long happened?
Yes, Judge Long.
It did happen?
Yeah, it did
Okay.
happen. And they have sat down with the clerk of court's office. They have an ADA compliance
Mm-hmm.
person in
Okay.
the clerk's office. So that's the person that.
If there's any confusion, they would help
Yeah,
clarify that.
exactly.
Yeah, we went there today, and they actually were great. They let me go up to the clerk's office and try to find the foreclosure stuff. There's still some stuff that I'll probably email them to try to either ask for them to help me get read the books because they have like really like 3 big binders full of foreclosures, and they didn't have like a master list. So I'm gonna work with them with that. So they were great.
Perfect.
So
Perfect. Glad to hear
that's
that.
good improvement there. And then just want to give you feedback on that. And then I had some records requests on a few things. So I don't know if I need to address it to them or if,
Oh,
or
I'll
if
get them
you want to help me. Okay.
Can you get? I tell you what. Let's just do this. Give me a piece of paper. A piece of paper, please, and a pen.
I'll just give you this notepad, this little pad right here.
That'll be perfect. And did you guys check out our
Website?
The app?
Yeah.
I haven't. Somebody did tell me they did it, and they tried a complaint process, and that they actually got feedback. So
Yeah,
they said
great.
it's working.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And we are trying to improve.
Yeah.
I assure you we are. And
Well, that's everything that we've noticed so far is that we brought it to your attention. You guys are working on it, and that's what we like to find out. You know.
right,
So,
absolutely. And if we don't get the complaint, if we don't know, then we can't fix it.
Right.
So we appreciate you bringing it to light.
Sure.
It's not fun being on video. We don't like that.
yeah.
Yeah, it is what it is.
That's the
So-
world we live in.
Yeah,
We're always
it
on
is,
video,
it
yeah.
is, and we have to conduct ourselves that we're always being
Absolutely.
recorded.
Yeah.
So, all right, what
Okay.
are your public records requests?
All right. The first one is for the. Let's see. Yes. Thank you. Who gave approval to put the flagpole downstairs for the memorial, like the blue? What is it? The blue line flag. So who gave approval for that? Basically, any records pertaining
Okay.
to that. Yeah.
So you want records pertaining? I
Yes.
don't know that we actually have records, but I'll check into
Okay.
it.
It may
but I
it may
can't-
be the county manager.
And I can't explain how that happened, but
Yeah.
I'll do an actual records request
Sure.
for it.
Sure. And if you don't have it, then just send it over to the county. It probably is for the county manager in the purchasing office, I would guess.
And you notice we have taken the line down.
They told me that.
Took
Yeah.
the flag down, and
Okay.
we're replacing that with a flag that does not violate the U.S. flag code.
Great.
Absolutely, that is awesome. That is
Yeah.
awesome. That's nice to see.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, and it's stuff like
Okay. And you want to
you do things for the right intention,
Right,
But
right.
you know, you have to consider all perspectives of that.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we appreciate you bringing. Somebody else called, and we took a complaint. I took a complaint on the phone,
Uh-huh.
but we had actually already discussed that because someone had said something about it earlier. I think you said something in the video.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
But all of that was donated.
Yeah.
The commissioners did approve for us to put the
Right,
monument in the
right.
flagpole. I don't know that we really said, hey, can we put up this exact flag?
Yeah.
And so, you know,
Okay.
of course, they approved the monument to be placed on
Sure,
the property.
sure.
And all of that was donated.
Yeah,
So,
that-
but I will write all of that down
Perfect.
for your records request. Do I send it back to the Insight?
Insight is free. Yeah.
Perfect.
And then the second records request I have is for any and all records in any and all format. So excluding video. So if you have video out here, like I don't need video of us coming in because we
Right.
already have that.
Right.
So any and all.
Correspondence.
And yeah, basically
Documentation.
correspondence, audio. So if you guys recorded any of these phone calls from people, we can address that. You know, we can play that and be like, hey guys, if you're gonna call and
Absolutely.
address, you know, please don't be like this guy. You know,
And I try to tell them.
so we don't necessarily just highlight what you guys are doing. We highlight how other people react too. Like,
Well,
hey,
I really
you know,
knew that some of those phone calls should not be shared.
replayed.
Right.
To protect the innocent.
Oh yeah.
They were pretty bad. So.
Yeah. Well, I mean,
That's
if they're recorded, then I would like a copy of it.
Okay.
So basically, everything except for video. I don't think we need any video. So that means, you know, texts, handwritten notes, emails, things like that.
So, all right.
Specifically regarding our visit
regarding
here-
the visit.
Our
here.
visit here to address the issues we found last time we were in Asheboro. So the
Okay.
stuff at
Let's elaborate then
Sure,
on
sure.
that. So you want any of the feedback or complaints that we received in response to that?
Not necessarily just that. Don't limit it to that scope, but it can be correspondence between the sheriff's department in-house memos for addressing training. It can be emails and back and forth to the county manager's office, and just or to the courthouse. Any notes taken from the meeting with Judge Long, like a copy of that. So basically, anything that pertains to this whole this encounter, any record you got,
Okay.
just to make sure that, hey, so far from what we've witnessed today, because we checked the courthouse and the police department, and everybody is making positive change, and we just want to make sure there isn't resentment because you're making positive change. You know what I mean?
No, that's
So far,
always
that's not the feel I've got, except for the records lady at the PD, but that's a different thing. So she's maybe a little upset, but
Jody.
yeah, but we're working on that. I think they're gonna help her with that. But you guys have been great. So I think that's it. There's just 2 records requests.
Okay.
So-
So what I might do, if it's okay
Mhm.
with you, is first I'm going to acknowledge your public records request
Right.
in writing.
Right.
And then it'll take me a while to get all of this stuff together because I will have to consult IT.
Yep.
And some of the other departments
Yep.
to recall some of the records.
Sure.
Recover some of the records.
Redactions or anything
Yeah.
like that. I mean, I know you gotta go through it.
Yeah, that's fine. Perfect.
All right.
You've been great.
Sounds great. I
Yeah.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
And I appreciate what you do. And
Yeah.
I hold my hand out to shake
Oh,
your hand again.
okay.
But thank you. I appreciate
Yeah.
you being an advocate
Yeah.
for what's important. And, we will make positive changes.
Yeah, yeah.
And I appreciate it.
We just want to make sure everybody's on the up and up, and you guys have been great making that positive change. Just
Perfect.
keep going
All
with
right.
that.
And just please keep in mind that we don't have anything to do with the vulgar phone calls. I just want to reiterate
Well,
that.
we get vulgar phone calls that have been outside of this scope.
Oh, I'm
so,
sure
I
you.
mean, it's kind of something that we condition
Yeah.
ourselves to.
And they'll be,
take, so-
Yeah.
they will be addressed too
When-
on the
Yeah.
next video.
Okay. Well, we
Sure.
appreciate that. We really do. Because
Can I help you?
Absolutely.
I was told to go to this window.
Oh, and I guess I had just a query about Jeremy Lanier. Is he still positioned in that post as a bailiff at the
He
courthouse?
is the captain at the courthouse.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
All right. Yeah. So I guess part of that request would be any kind of
So I thought I told him I'd come up here and get it,
training
so I'm already up this
or
way. He said that's fine.
what's the word, counseling or anything like that they may have received.
Okay, so that's one thing that we can't share is
Uh-huh.
employee
I got his
disciplinaries or
Okay.
employee counseling or
Okay.
I can't
there are
remember
certain
his
things
name.
that protect the employees when it comes
Mhm.
to that sort of thing. So
Okay.
I can share with you, I'll share with you what we can.
Okay.
All right, is that
Yeah.
fair?
Sure. Yeah. I'll double check to make sure
Yeah.
that that's kosher. I think there's definitely stuff that you can redact and
Right, right.
Should have been the only thing in there.
Yeah, because we can ask for training records, right? We can ask for
right,
things
absolutely,
like that. Okay.
Absolutely.
All right. Yeah, maybe we'll do that after a while because I think that everybody's been receiving training, and we'll just ask for that, and then it'll probably be like the same date, ADA training.
Yeah.
All right.
So we will, like I said, just to
Mhm.
rehash that, is I will send a confirmation or acknowledgement to your email.
Yeah.
So I'm sure of what you're requesting.
Okay.
On the public records request.
Great.
And then once I make sure you confirm that
Yep.
that is in fact what you want
Mhm.
in its entirety, then we'll get to work on that and make sure you get what you need.
Perfect.
Okay?
All right. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
And it's on
Andrea?
Andrea, not Andrea. I
Yeah.
keep saying A.
That's fine.
Andrea. Okay.
I've been called a lot worse.
Long E, not long A.
Correct.
Andrea.
Andrea.
All right. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Look,
Oh, sorry, buddy.
You guys all be safe.
Thank
Yeah.
you. You be safe as well.
Somebody helping you?